Birdie,
Yeah,
birdie.
sounds like it.
Come out with me. I don't want it to peck my beak, please.
I don't think it'll pick you. It's a hummingbird.
Birdie,
Oh,
birdie.
there it is. Oh dear. Oh no, it keeps going higher and higher.
Come on, birdie. We're not going to harm you. Birdie. Come on.
It's on the 3rd level.
Come on, birdie. Get down. We're not going to harm you.
Is there a window up there that can be opened?
Yes, but then we need to go up.
Okay.
We're not going to kill you. Don't. Birdie. Anna, I'm scared. First of all, I don't know how hummingbirds respond to humans.
I'm 100% sure that it won't hurt you. So.
Ha! I'm Anna, you're the brave girl. Go out. I'm videoing you. Doing this to YouTube. There is a girl who's staring. She's going.
Where's it going?
We are now upstairs. And the birdie is somewhere here.
Okay. Where did it go?
It's kind of creepy, don't you think?
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Where is it?
Let's see. Can I open this?
The birdie wants to get out. Birdie, don't be scared. We're not going to harm you.
Okay. Let's leave this open. And then let's go back so he's not scared of us. And like maybe if we sit here.
Come on, birdie. We're waiting for you. Can you guys see that bird on top? Birdie, birdie.
I think it's scared
Oh
of
my
us.
goodness, what's that?
Maybe we should hide. Oh, it's just a black mark. Maybe we should hide so the bird's not scared so it can fly.
Yeah, probably.
That's been really quiet.
Cute little thing. But how am I supposed to take a picture?
Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll just go up straight to it and it will fly that direction. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Go fly that way. Go fly. Oh my gosh, you were so stupid. No, the window was open. Are you kidding me?
Well, birds can't see properly. Remember, they're not. Come on, Anna, they're there. It's in the
No,
peeling,
they
can't
don't.
you see? We're trying to save you, sweetie. We're
Oh,
trying to
yeah.
save you.
Okay, I will go this way. Wait, let me open this window again. Maybe it will be smart. Maybe.
Maybe it will be smart, the smart bounce. Why don't you be a gamma? Go, Anna, go.
Okay. No, it's not a window. Oh, it's gonna die with all this energy. Okay. Hey, come on.
Yeek.
This way. Yo, what's up? Okay, maybe if I go away, it'll learn its lesson. This poor bird.
Come on, birdie, get up.
Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it. There's a window there.
Oh my gosh!
Wrong
Come on,
window.
birdie. Come on, birdie, don't be scared.
Okay.
Yes,
okay,
go that way.
You got it. You got it.
Go, go, go! Yes! Mission accomplished! High five!
Yes.
Wait, we should probably close that thing. Hello, people on this YouTube. We're going to send you this video and hope you like